out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. And in today's episode, you will witness one of the fluffiest episodes you have ever laid eyes on. This pandemic has gotten really out of control. I went to the grocery store to get pancake mix, and guess what? It was completely wiped off the shelves. Surprised? I'm not. People are just grabbing whatever they can, and they're probably not even going to make it. And what do you do if you're craving pancakes and can't get your hands on a box of pancake mix? Easy. You make your own from scratch. Today, I will show you how to make the world's best, fluffiest, healthiest pancakes ever without the use of milk, butter, or eggs, since you probably can't even get your hands on that stuff anyway. You might be asking, how is it that you can make them so fluffy? The main ingredient for this recipe to make them so fluffy is our leavening agent called baking powder. The history of these pancakes comes from ancient Greece, around the 5th century BC, and the Greeks called them tiganites. And later, the Middle English word pancake appeared in the 15th century. And you're not gonna wanna miss the end of this episode because I'm gonna give you the breakdown for this 7-ingredient recipe of the nutritional facts. So, what are we waiting for? If you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to get a little fluff on these pancakes. Combine all your dry ingredients together in a bowl. Let's add 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix this all well together using a wire whisk. Now add your liquid ingredients. Add 2 cups of oat milk or vanilla almond milk, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and continue to mix this using a wire whisk until you get a smooth batter. Set this aside and heat up your skillet on a medium heat. And once it gets hot, add your pancake batter in a non-stick pan. Once added, now's the time to add your desired essentials such as blueberries, raspberries, or chocolate chips. Once it bubbles up, now it's time to flip. Look at these beautiful pancakes. Just look at the fluffiness. And really, who doesn't like pancakes, right? So let's not wait anymore and dive right into these. Let's add some syrup. This is so fluffy good, so scrumptious, and it's all the pancake you can ever want for breakfast without coming from a box. I was able to make 14 3.5-inch pancakes, and I guess you want the nutritional breakdown at this point. Well, here it is. With only 115 calories, 4.7 grams of fat, 17 grams of carbohydrates, and 2.5 grams of fiber, and 2.1 grams of protein. You can't beat this. You can't go wrong. Make this today. What are you waiting for? And that just wraps up today's episode. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, Comment down below, let me know how fluffy you like these pancakes. Share with your friends and family, and that bell. Click on that bell so that you're notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking!